This is an earthquake.
It stopped.
It's just stopped. Oh my god, that is so scary. This building was just sick.
It was seriously violently shaking.
Like our glasses were falling off the table and
I was
everything.
on the balcony, the whole building was shaking and it was creaking. Like everything was creaking.
I've never...
Anita saved my wine glass and it fell off the bed.
I spilt it on the bed. Wow, that was... I've never felt anything like that.
First earthquake.
The building's still up. We're on the
That was like a good old proper shake.
We're on the 8th level of this building. Wow. The walls were actually twisting. That's
I hope
mad.
that happens all the time.
We're alive, Mum. We're alive.